These are so good. Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. And one thing I can promise you in today's recipe, I have the best pancake recipes ever. I have about 3 more pancake recipes up on my channel, and I'm going to link them at the end of this video. So today we are making some pancakes with a little bit of a difference, and we are using some whole wheat. Whole wheat simply means unga ya brown ya chapati, or you can also call it atamapan. Yeah, that's simply it. So these are the list of ingredients that I have for today's recipe, and I have my dry ingredients, and on this other side I have my wet ingredients. And for my dry ingredients, I have my atamapan flour, I have some salt, baking powder, this is some cinnamon, and for the wet ingredients I have some sugar, milk, an egg, some water, some vanilla essence, and some cooking oil. So this particular recipe of today needs to be treated with love. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to list the exact quantities of all the ingredients that I'm going to be using in the description box, so be sure to check it out. And I'm going to start by adding about 1.5 ounces of some sugar. Then I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, and also a pinch of my baking powder. So that's about a 1/4 teaspoon. And the reason as to why I'm adding some baking powder is because I find self-raising flour gives the best pancakes as compared to all-purpose flour. I've added about a 1/4 teaspoon of some cinnamon just to give it some oomph. And I'm going to mix this. I'll proceed to add my egg. I'll add some vanilla to the milk, and also something else about the milk. If at all you're okay with using milk, feel free to use all milk instead of using milk and water as I am. And I'm going to mix this in, then also throw it in here. Then I'm also going to add my water, and then because I'm using a non-stick pan, I'm also going to add my oil in here, and I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, or rather 1.5. And then I'm just going to mix this in until we achieve a very smooth consistency. And as I promised you, I have the best pancake recipe ever. Have you seen the magic? Hakuna kubahatisha, kila kitu tunaweka, and there's no adding, there's no subtracting of any ingredient. So we'll proceed to the other side where we will start our cooking process. So I'm just going to wait for this to become hot, and since I've already added my oil into my mixture, there's no need of adding oil in here. Also, do not forget to line your plate with some serviette, but because I do not have some serviette, I'm going to use this khaki paper, or you can also use a parchment paper, but do not use some foil. So this is hot enough, and it's ready to take in my first pancake. I'm just going to scoop this. So once bubbles form at this top part, heavy like this, that's how you know your pancake is ready for flipping. Once you see some bubbles form at the top part, and once it's completely dry. So the top part normally doesn't take that long as the bottom part. So just give it about 45 seconds at most and your pancake is ready. So guys, as you've seen, it was that easy preparing these cinnamon whole wheat pancakes. And as I earlier promised you, I have the best pancakes recipe. As you can see, they're all perfect pancakes and they're just going to have a taste. Mmm, mmm, mmm. These are so good. Mm. Wow. Mm. So try out this recipe because this is a very healthy breakfast. Haina gluten kama the white pancakes or white chapatis, and that's why I love it. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe and you learn something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.